How many monkeys does it take to change out a light bulb? Apparently 2. It takes me and you. So let's go change out this light bulb on our license plate of a 2008 Kia Sportage. Let's go. What you're gonna need is pretty simple. Just need a screwdriver and of course the replacement bulbs. I got mine at Napa, which is pretty expensive. I fucking hate it. It was like $5 just for these 2 bulbs, but this is the number. Part number, and of course gloves. All right guys, so today we're working on the 2008 Kia Sportage. First thing we're gonna do is put on some gloves. So remember, when you're touching light bulbs, you do not want to touch it with your bare hands because the skin, your skin has oil, so it's gonna go on the light bulb, which causes your light bulb to bust faster. This video is fast. It's just a really easy replacement. There's 2 types of ways actually. The really hard way, where you have to take out the whole back trunk latch cover, or you could just do the easy way, where you just unscrew these. Hopefully your screws aren't rusted out, so you don't have to do the hard way. This is the real easy way. Also, we're dealing with electronics. It's light. There's a current through it. We're going to unhook the battery just because we're gonna be safe. All right, I didn't show you how to unhook the battery, but I'm pretty sure you know how to unhook a battery. Always do the negative terminal first, not the positive, because you don't want to kill yourself. So unhook that battery because we're going to deal with the electronics. So also this way, if your bulb breaks or whatever and your stuff, you don't get shocked or you don't fuck up your electronics in your car. So yeah, let's get to it. You just need these miniature lamps and a screwdriver. We're gonna do the real easy way, which is just unscrewing 4 screws. So let's get to it. All right, pretty easy fix. We're just gonna unscrew our light bulb light. Unrusted out, so I had to drill 2 out because I don't want to do the hard way. But yeah, pretty much we're just gonna unscrew first one in. Also, mine's attached to this part, but yeah, you could kind of see the light bulb on the first one. Put that to the side. Let me show you how it looks. All right, so that is the light bulb for the license plate. Advantages of changing a dead one is you don't want to get pulled over by the police just to give you a ticket or whatever, just for having these out. These are pretty easy fixes to change. All you gotta do is pull it. So I'm gonna pull it like this way, and I'm gonna pull a little bit hard because it's stuck in there, okay? All right, so we're just gonna pull it. The other way is where you're gonna have to take out the whole thing, and that's hard. You're just gonna pull a solid pull. I mean, this one you don't have to worry about it because of the, you have to worry about wearing gloves because you're just pulling straight out. Just like that, pull straight out, and you got your bulb. Yep, you can see that it's snapped and also it's blacked. You kind of hear it too, so we're gonna replace that. All right, so what I always like to do is show you the old. It's a little burnt out, and show you the new. All right, so now we're gonna start it up. We're gonna put the battery back, and then we're gonna start it up and see if the lights turn on. And that means it works, unless there's a problem with the wire. Let's go. Okay, so we got our light bulbs on for our license plate, and that's pretty much how you change out the light bulb on a 2008 Kia Sportage license plate light bulb. You don't want these out because cops can pull you over just for having a faulty light. And yeah, again, my name is Mark. I want to thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't. There's going to be more 2008 Kia Sportage videos as well as 2007 Kia Spectra videos that I'd be working on for you. This video might be old or it might be new too, but if it is old, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'll still reply back to you if you have any questions of how to do it, or if you have problems, if you're doing the hard way. Just leave a comment down below and I'll help you out. I don't care how old this video is, I'll reply. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. My name is Mark. Peace out. See you on the next one.